Good morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, Grade 2, Subject Maths, Chapter 4, Numbers up to 1000. Numbers up to thousands. Here 1000 is a smallest 4-digit numbers. 1000 is a smallest 4-digit number. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is called smallest 4-digit number. The next one. My practice time 1. First one. Draw beads. Draw beads to show the following numbers on abacus. It is called the abacus tool. It is called the abacus tool. Ones, tens, hundreds. It is a place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. It is called the place values. The first one is called ones place. Then second one is called tens place. Then third one is called hundreds place. Question number A. 405. 405. You want to draw the beads on abacus. Draw the beads on abacus tool. First we take the place value 405. 405. We take place value ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. 5 ones, 0 tens, 4 hundreds. 5 ones, 0 tens and 4 hundreds. Now we draw the beads. Listen here. First we draw the ones place. Here ones place is how many having? 517. Ones place 517. So we draw the 5 beads. First bead 5 having. So you want to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen here. We have 5 17. So we draw the 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads. Next we go to tens place. Here tens place is empty. Tens place is empty. So next we go to the hundreds place. 400 carry. How many hundred? 400 carry. So we draw the 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen, ones place 5. So we draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next we come to the tens place. Here tens place is 0. 0 is nothing. That is a empty. So tens place is empty. The next we go to the hundreds place. Here our hundreds place is 400 having. So we draw the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. The next we go to the B part. 532. 532. We take the place value 532. 532. We take the place value. It is a 3-digit numbers. So we take ones, tens and hundreds. 2 ones carry and 3 tens carry and 5 hundreds carry. So 2 ones, 3 tens, 5 hundreds. First we draw the ones place. Here ones place is 2 having. So we draw the 2 beads. We want 2 beads in ones place. 1, ones place 2 having 2. We draw the 2 beats in ones place. Next we go to the tens place. Here tens place 3 tens having 1, 2, 3. So we draw 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next we go to the hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 5 having, so 500. We draw the 5 beats. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We draw the 5 beats. Listen here. Given number is 532. We take the place value for 532. Ones, tens, 100. 2 ones, 3 tens, 5 hundreds having. So ones place is 2 only having. So we draw the 2 beats. Next tens place. Tens place 3 having. So we draw the 3 beats. Then our hundreds place is 5. So we draw the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beats. Next one, problem number 2. Write the numbers in weights. Write the numbers in weights. A part 124. A part 124. We want to write in weights. We want to write in weights. So first take the place value chart. It is 3 digit numbers. So we take ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Your number is 124. Your number is 124. First we want to write hundreds place. Here 100 place is 1. So 100. Write in weights answer 100. Next we go to the tens and ones place. Next we go to the tens and ones place. The tens and ones place is 2 tens and 4 ones. 2 tens and 4 ones. 2 tens means 20, then 4 ones. 20 plus 4 ones 4. 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Write in weights 24. Listen here. Given number is 124. You want to given number write in weights. First we take the place value. Ones, tens, 100. Here 100 having. First we want to write the hundreds place. 100. So we write where is 100. The next we go to the tens and ones place. Next we go to the tens and ones place. Here tens place is 2, ones place is 4. That means 24. 24. Next B part 389. 389. We want to place value chart. 389. First we take the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Given number is 389. Take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. That means 300s, 8 tens, 9 ones. First we write the hundreds place. Here 300 having. So right there it is 300. 300. How many hundred? 300. Next we go to the tens and ones place. Next we go to the tens and ones place. Here tens place is 8 and ones place is 9. That means 89. 89. 89. Next we go to the C part. 978. 978. Your number is 978. We take the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. 900, 7 tens, 8 ones. First we take the hundreds place. How many hundred? 900. 900. Great the weights. 900. Next we go to the tens and ones place. Here are tens and ones places. 7 tens and 8 ones. 7 tens and 8 ones. So 78. 78. Next one, fourth part. Write the place value and face value. Write the place value and face value. Fourth one, write the place value and face value of the underlying digits. We want to face value and face value. So first we want to place value. What is in my place value? Place value is depend on ones, tens and hundreds. It is called the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. Listen here. Our first sum is A 945. 945. First we write the place value. $945. Our place value is, it is a 3-digit number. So ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. 5 ones having, 4 tens having, 9 hundreds having. You want to place value. Place value means denote the position. Place value means denote the position. Position is called place value. Listen here. Here position is tens place. Here position is tens place. So 4 into tens place. The underlying digit is 4. Underlying digit is 4. 4 in the place tens. 4 in the place 10. 4 place value is 10. So our answer is 4, the underlying digit, into, we want to place value. Place value means position. The position is tens place. Our position is tens place. So 4 into 10. 4 into 10. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So our answer is 40. The underlying digit 4. 4 in a place, tens place. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40. It is called the place value. Place value means position. The number denote the position is called the place value. The next one, face value. The same number 945. You want to face value of underlying digits. Face value of underlying digits. Here underlying digit is the same number 4. You want to face value. Face value is nothing but it is a itself. Face value means itself. The number itself is called the face value. Here given number is 4. It is itself also 4. So our answer is 4. The number digit is 4. Itself means the same number. The given number is 4. Face value means itself. So our answer is 4. The next one. It's also you want to place value and face value. Place value denote the position And face value denote the itself. Itself means face value. The underlying digit is 8. First we want to the place value. Given number is 286. Write the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. 6 ones, 8 tens, 2 hundreds. The underlying digit is 8. Underlying digit is 8. Here position is tens. Here position is tens. That means place is tens. So our answer is 8 into the position is 10. 10 is equal to 80. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 8 is the given number. The denote the position is 10. 8 into 10 is equal to 8. The next one, face value of 8. Face value. We want to face value of 8. Face value of 8 is equal to face value means itself. Face value means itself. So the number 8 is the face value. The next one, C part. Here also we want to place value and face value. Place value and face value. Place value means position, then face value means itself. The given number 554. 554. Here underlying digit is 4. Underlying digit is 4. First we want to the place value. Given number is 554. Write the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Here our underlying digit is 4. Underlying digit is 4. 4 in the place ones. 4 in the place ones place. So our answer is place value of 4. 4 into the position is ones. Position is ones. So 4 into 1. 4 is the given number. Into in the position 1. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4. It is called the place value. The answer is 4. Underlying digit is 4. 4 in the place value is one's place. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4. The next we go to the face value. Face value means itself. So therefore face value of we want to underline digit is 4. Face value means itself. So face value of 4 is equal to 4. 4 face value is 4. The next one, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Given number 432. Expanded form means express the numbers. You want to express the numbers. 432. We take the place value for 432. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. So our solution is 400, 3 tens and 2 ones. 2 ones, 3 tens and 4 hundreds. First we write the hundreds place. Our hundreds place is 4 having, listen here, hundreds place is 4. So 400. 4 into 100. 4 into 100 is equal to 400. Plus, you want to express the values 400. The next you go to the tens place. into 10 is equal to 30. The next plus 2 into 1. It is itself 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So our answer is 400 plus 3 tens. That means 30 plus 2. 432. 432. 400 plus 330 plus 2. It is the express value. It is called the expanded form. It is called the expanded form. The next we go to the B part. 780. We take the place value of 780. Ones, tens and hundreds. Listen here. 780. Ones place 0. Tens place 8. Hundreds place 7. Ones place 0. Tens place 8 and hundreds place is 7. First we write the hundreds place. Here our hundreds place is 7 having. So 7 into 100. Want to multiple 7 into 100. That means 700 plus. Next we go to the tens place. Tens means 8 into 10. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. The next we go to the ones place. Here ones place is 0, that is nothing. So our answer is 700 plus 80. 700 plus 80. It is called the expanded form. The next we go to the C part. 831. 831. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First you write the hundreds place. 8 hundreds, 3 tens and 1 ones. First you write the hundreds place. Here 100 place value is 8. That means 8 into 100. 8 into 100 is equal to 800. Plus. That is the expanded form. Plus. The next one. 3 into tens. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Plus 1 into 1. It is itself 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So our answer is 800, 310. That means 30, 1, 1. 800 plus 30 plus 1. It is called the expanded form. The next one. Write the standard form. Write the standard form. Standard form means it is a numeral form. Standard means numeral form. 450 plus 1. 400 plus 50 plus 1. We want to add the all numbers. We want to add the all numbers. The given number is 400. Given number is 400. First one hundreds place 400. The next one tens place 50. Tens place 50. The next one ones place 1 only having. So we want to add first we add the ones place 0 plus 0 plus 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. The next we add the tens place 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Next, bring down the number 4 in hundreds place. So our answer is 451. Our answer is 451. Listen here. First we write the place value ones, tens and hundreds. Next we take the hundreds place value 400. 400. Next tens value 50. The ones place 1 only having. So we add ones, tens and hundreds. We add ones, tens and hundreds. So our answer is 451. Next we go to the B part. 500 plus 30 plus 8. Next we take the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First 100 value 5 value, so 500. The next one tens 30. The next one ones place is 8. We want to add 500 plus 30 plus 8. First we add the ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Next we add the tens place. 3 plus 10. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Next bring down the number 5. Write in hundreds place. So our answer is 538. Our answer is 538. Next is C part. 700 plus 5. 700 plus 5. Our place value ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First one hundreds place 700 plus here tens place is empty. Listen here 700 plus 5. Here only two places having 700 plus 5. 700 is a hundreds place and 5 is a ones place. But we want to tens place. Tens place is empty. So take 0, 0, 0. The tens place is 0, 0, 0. The next one ones place. Ones place 5 only having. So we want to add 3 tens. 0 plus 0 plus 5. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Next we add the tens place. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. The next bring on the number 7. Write in hundreds place. So 705. Our answer is 705. It is called the standard form or numeral form. It is called the standard form or numeral form. Listen here. My practice time 1. Draw the bits, so the numbers. First we draw the bits ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Here 405 having 5 ones. So we draw the 5 bits in abacus tool. Then 0. Tens place is 0, that is an empty place. The next we go to the hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 400 having. So we draw the 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be ones, tens, hundreds. Here ones place is 2 having. So we draw the 2 bits. Then tens place is 3 having. So we draw the 3 bits. Then hundreds place is 5 having. So we draw 5 bits. This is called the draw bits to show the numbers on Apaki. Apaki means abacus tool. The next one, second part, write the numbers in weights. Just we write the weights. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here place value is very important. Your number is 124. first we take the place value for 124. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First we write the hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 1 only having. So 100. Then next we add tens and ones place. 8 tens and 9 ones. 89. Write in the weights. 24. 20 plus 4. 24. The next one. Fourth one. Place value and face value. Place value means it is denoted the position, and face value means it is itself. Place value means positions. The first sum is 945. 945. Here underline digits. Underline digit is 4. Place value of 4. Place value of 4. The position is tens place. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Face value. Face value of 4 is equal to 4 because it is itself. The next one. Write in expanded form. Expanded form means the values expressed based on place value chart. First we write the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. 2 ones, 2. 3 tens, 3 into 10, 30. 4 hundreds, 4 into 100 is equal to 400. So our answer is 430 plus 2. The next one, standard form. 3 terms having ones, tens and hundreds. 400 plus 50 plus 1. Just we add 3 numbers. 750 plus 5. Listen here. 400 plus 50 plus 1. So our answer is 451. Zero plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Next we add 0 plus 5. Next our homework part. First Roman CD, second Roman DEF, fourth Roman DEF, fifth Roman DEF.